Good morning all of you. I am Nazia Pathan from Grand Major Vidyapith, Standard 5th. So students, today we'll start worksheet number Standard 4th. Today we'll start worksheet number 5th, revision. In that unit number 5th, we'll start worksheet number 5th, 1/4 and 3/4. So in that here is a different shapes are there. Shaded the following figures as per the fractions written in the block, right? So here written like that. What was the written here? Here is the written 1/4. So in that rectangle will shade only one part because of 1/4 is there. Because of 1/4 is there. Then second one shapes 3/4 is there. So in that we have to shade it three parts. We have to shade it three parts. Okay. Now next one shapes 3/4 is there. So we have to shade three parts is there. 1/4 is there. We have to shade one part only. Again 1/4 is there. One part we have to shade. 3/4 is there. We have to shade it three parts. 3/4 is this. We have to shade it three parts. 1/4 is that we have to shade it three parts. Now look at this everyone. First look at six shapes and draw it in your rough book and shaded this part as per the worksheet number 5th. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you another shapes. You have to draw these shapes in your rough book. Again I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete this. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Worksheet number 6. In that worksheet, shade the following figures as per the fractions written in the block. Right? So in that 1/4 is there. So what we have to do? We have to shade it only one part. Okay. Then 2/3 is there. So we have to shade it how many parts? Two parts. How many parts we have to shade? 1 and 2. Now next one. 2/3 is there. Which is there? 2/3 is there. So what we have to do? We have to shade it two parts is there. How many parts we have to shade? 1 and 2. How many parts we have to shade it? Two parts is there. 1/3 is there. So we have to shade it only one part. वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आपको कौन सा पार्ट शेड करना है. ठीक है. Now then 1/3 is there. 1/3 is there. So in that you have to shade it only one part. You have to shade it only one part. Okay. Then 2/3 is there. So you have to shade it two parts like this. Now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to draw these shapes, these four shapes first, and write it down in your rough book. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you last two shapes. You have to draw these shapes in your rough book. I'll give you half an minute. You have to complete this. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you something. Now show this everyone. How many special fractions did we learn so far? So in that, now see, 1/2, this side half and this one is half. So that's called 1/2. That's called 1/2. 1/4. 1/4, that means one part is shaded. 4 part में से 1 part है वो shaded है, that means 1/4. 3/4 is there, so in that, in the 4 part, 3 parts are shaded. In that 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. That's called 3/4. Okay. Now, so now here, how many special fractions did we learn so far? 1/2, half, 1/2 and 3/4. Half, 1/2 and 3/4. So let's learn 2 more special fractions. Now अभी हम दूसरे स्पेशल फ्रैक्शन से वो हम सीखेंगे, ठीक है. Now let's divide the circle into 3 equal parts. Now ये सर्कल है, उसको हम कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे? 3 equal parts. So shall we do? Yes. So this one is we are doing 3 equal parts. In that part, 1 part is shaded. Why this yellow part is shaded here? So, can you guess the name of this fraction? Can you guess it, students? Who will guess first? Okay, I'll give the answer. 1 out of 4 equal part, 1/4. 1 out of 4 equal part, that means 1/4. Same like that, 1 after 3 equal parts, that's called 1/3. That's called 1/3. Got it? 1 out of 4 equal parts is called 1/4. Same, 1 out of 3 equal parts is called 1/3. Now, when a wall is divided into 3 equal parts, 1 out of 3 equal parts is known as a 1/3. When a wall is divided into 3 equal parts, 1 out of 3 equal parts is known as a 1/3. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? 1/3. Because of the in this circle, 3 parts is there, but in that part only 1 part is shaded. So what we said? 1/3. What we said? 1/3. Got it? Now represent 2/3 on the circle. अभी हम किसको represent करेंगे यहाँ पे? 2/3 in a circle. So, in that, draw the 3 equal parts. हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? 3 equal parts करेंगे. In that, color 2 parts. इसमें से हमने क्या किया? 2 parts को color कर दिया. Right. So, 2 out of 3 equal parts. 2 out of 3 equal part is known as a 2/3. Is known as a 2/3. Got it? First of all हमने क्या सीखा? That I'll repeat again. New fraction is we have to draw 3 equal parts. What we have to do? What we have to do first? We have to First we have to draw one circle. In that circle we have to do 3 equal parts. Now can you guess why we are doing this? One part is shaded, color हमने क्यों किया है? So in that what was the happening is there, 1 out of 4 equal parts that we said 1/4. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? 1/4. Same like that 1 out of 3 equal parts that's called 1/3. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? 1/3. 1/4, 1/3. If the 4 part is there, 1 part is shaded. At the time we said 1/4. Same like that 3 parts is there and the 1 part is shaded. At the time we said 1/3. Got it? Then when a wall is divided into 3 equal parts, wall है वो 3 equal parts में divide होगा. At that time 1 out of 3 equal parts is known as a 1/3. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? 1/3. That means 3 part में 1 part is shaded, so we said 1/4. 1/3. Now again we have to do one circle. In that circle we have to divide in a 3 equal parts. उसको हम 3 equal parts में divide करेंगे. Then what was the happening? In that 2 parts we have to color it. In that 2 parts we have to color it. So 2 out of 3 equal parts known as the 2/3. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? 2/3. 2 out of 3 equal parts is known as a 2/3. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? What we say? 2/3. Okay. If the 3 equal part is there and 2 parts are shaded, so we say 2/3. Then let's practice. What does this? Here is a 3 parts, so we said 1/3. And here is a 3 parts, but 2 parts are shaded, so we said 2/3. Got it? इतना सबको समझ में आ गया? Right? Now I'll show you one more CRR. Okay students, now we'll learn about drawing fraction for real life situation. For real life situation. So in that my birthday cake was cut into 8 slides. My birthday cake was cut into 8 slides. My brother ate 3 slides. मेरे बर्थडे में क्या हुआ? 8 इक्वल स्लाइड में बर्थडे केक को कटिंग किया गया. इन दैट 3 स्लाइड्स थी, वो मेरे ब्रदर ने खा लिया. नाउ हाउ मच ऑफ दिस केक डिड माई ब्रदर ईट? मेरे ब्रदर ने कितने ये केक स्लाइड से वो खाई है, ठीक है, वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो इन 8 स्लाइड्स इज देयर 3 8. Brother had 3 slides. Identify wall and total parts. So total parts are, how many total parts are there? Draw the total parts. So is there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total parts are 8 is there. In that 8 parts, identify, first of all what we have to identify? Parts under the question. Question में क्या है? 3 slides. How many slides? 3 slides is there. So what we have to do? We have to color parts under 3 questions. So हमने क्या किया? जो हमारे क्वेश्चन में जो 3 स्लाइड्स है उसको हमने क्या किया? 3 पार्ट्स में शेडेड कर दिया, 1 2 and 3. Got it? So total number of slides are 8. In that 3 parts are eaten already at. So we have to shade it 3 parts here. Got it? Now look at this everyone. I'll give you half an minute. You have to quickly revise this. Okay. Just read the steps and follow it. Okay students. Now next one. Sai had an apple. He cut it in a 6 slides. Sai ने क्या किया? एक एप्पल था, उसको 6 स्लाइड में कट किया. Ravi got 4 slides. How much of the apples did Ravi get? Ravi got 4 slides. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to follow 4 steps. Identify the whole and total parts. So total part is 6, right? Whole is a 6 is there and 4 slides are there. So in that, then draw the total parts. Total parts, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there. How many are there? 6 are there. Then identify under the question. Under the question, how many are there? 4 are there. So we have to shade it 4 parts there. 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts we have to shade it. So in that 4 parts, what we have to do? We have to shade it 4 parts. Okay. Total number of the parts is 6. We have to shade it here 4 because of the under the question. 4 slides are there. Now look at this everyone. I will give you a half an minute. Quickly you have to revise this and write it down in your rough book. I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next one question. Hari had a cake. He cut it in 5 slides. Rahul got 2 slides. How much of the cake did Rahul get? So in that, what we have to do? We have to, total number of slides are 5. Total number of slides. And that in that slides, we have to shade it. How many slides Rahul got? 2 slides. So we have to shade it 2 slides. Okay. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Now students, what was your homework? Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 6 and read the worksheet number 7 and write it down in your notebook, worksheet number 6 and 7, and send it the homework before 3 o'clock. Before 3 o'clock आप लोगों को homework है वो हमें WhatsApp group में submit करवाना है. Okay everyone. Okay students, so I hope so your work is complete. Complete your work and send the homework before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, bye. Have a nice day.